Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
The Goa Chamber of Commerce has recently submitted their pre-budget memorandum, which includes direct taxes suggestions, indirect tax suggestions, as well as sectoral suggestions, which has been submitted to our Honorable Finance Minister, Madam Nirmala Sitharaman, to be taken up at the upcoming budget. Tourism sector, we have given suggestions for GST to have a rational GST rate of 12% across the hospitality sector, which will really help to streamline the entire sector. We have also asked for giving the benefit also of the input tax credits to the restaurants, so that they have an option to either charge 5% or 12%. We have also given a recommendation for the tourism and the real estate industry that the input tax credit on construction is also given to them in light of the recent Supreme Court judgments.